What's going on, y'all? It's your boy J Pigs, you know what it is. Back at it again with another vlog, P-vlog. I'm up early in the morning, man. One of my homeboys called me and was like, yo, we hooping at the gym, slide through. I'm like, man, I'm still drunk from last night. Oh my God, I'm still feeling it, man. I got home really late last night, but it is what it is, man. You know, it's New Year's, so January 3rd, I gotta start the new year off right and get back in the fucking gym. Yeah, so it's kind of messed up. My storage was full, so it didn't even catch all that conversation and all that action that I just had. Went through a nice little tunnel and stuff. There was a lot of opportunities to get some good audio and video, but fuck. It is what it is. I just went to go ahead and deleted a bunch of videos. That's why I can't wait for my camera to get here, man. I got way more storage because my phone can't really take this shit no more. I got the 128 gigabyte. Next iPhone I get, I'm getting a bigger storage for sure. But I was saying, yeah, I don't even have no basketball shorts really, or no hoop shoes, man. Nothing acceptable. My shit's old and dusty. I was injured most of the year. The accident, I got hit, drunk driver earlier in the year. That kind of kept me sidelined, but other than that, there's no excuse. I'm just lazy. Pulling up to LA Fitness right now. My friend said he's got a guest pass for me. We'll see if that works. All right, so we here at the LA Fitness. I'm gonna go find my boy real quick so he can give me this guest pass and shit. I'm gonna get it going from there. I'm about to be ass. Oh, there he is. They're warming up right now. I'm finna get these niggas buckets. And I ain't hooped in a year at least. Look at his ass. Oh man.
What's up with y'all? Hey, we here. State of Washington, the Evergreen State. You know what we do. Game after game, win after win.
We already got sweat dripping, you know? Yeah, let's go.
Oh, you called me right after I checked.
Yeah.
I'm like, let me go check my phone. I'm gassed, bro. I told you yesterday I had the fucking fever.
Yeah.
I came in here yesterday to hoop. I told you.
Uh-huh.
I think I could barely run. Barely.
I'm finna get it
But
going,
today,
man. I'm finna get buckets on these niggas. I ain't hooped in a year. I'm telling you right now.
Hey, edit me out. You said you was Michael?
No.
Mike D. That's my bro. I ain't never met you before.
J Pigs, you know what it is, man. Real hoopers in the building, you know what I'm saying?
I feel like a dinosaur out here. I'm upper 30s.
Yes, sir. We still
Hey, I'm almost
getting it
40 out
in.
here hooping, man.
Still getting it in though.
Stop.
Uh-oh. Let's see if we can get a bucket.
No, Mike. Remember? Work.
at the gym. My boy Fave in the Tessie. Yes, sir. Got some nice little hoop action in, baby. Fave was serving him. I wasn't really doing all that much. So I was just a little bit though. Got some buckets, man, some jump shots, a little bit. Get some nice little assists and stuff, getting up and down the court. Didn't miss too much, but my camera just came. I gotta go pick that up later, and then that way I won't have to worry about storage and stuff, and I won't have to multitask using my phone to do everything, hand record and do all that shit. But yeah, man, definitely, if you're gonna shoot videos and stuff with these 4K cameras, you better have the top storage or something in that phone, because that 128 is not enough. Half of that be taken up by system storage and shit. But yeah, we're finna get some food. I'm still with Fabian right now. He's following me. I'm finna get some gas and then I'm hit y'all. Stop at the gas station right quick. Ordered the food already. I'm finna pull back up over there. Pick my camera up. Probably head to the house, shower, and go to the Nike ES store. Alright, man, so didn't go as according to plan. I was way too gassed after I finally got back to the house, man. I had to go to sleep. Picked up my package though, so I got all the camera and stuff, equipment in here. I ain't really had time or felt like opening it up and setting that whole shit up yet, but I'm getting around to it. More content coming soon, man. Stay tuned for the next P-Vlog. Peace.